What's good, guys? It's the time for another graph. Let's go. Today's topic is line and area chart. That's right. We are going to deal with both at the same time like a pro. Okay? Line chart is one of the very basic types. It is mostly used to track the changes over the long or short periods of time. You have definitely seen this, okay, in the stock market app, right? These days, a lot of people want to make a quick buck, a lot. Just saying. However, area chart is a sibling who is good looking, but also the useless one. You'll know what I'm talking about in the Excel, okay? Let's go to the Excel.
Hey guys, welcome to the screen of the Excel. Okay, so this is the example for the line chart. Let's just say X and Y are some stocks and this is the price for up to the 9 months. Okay, and we all know, okay, the only best way to show the line chart is taking by the stock example. Okay, so we know how to plot the chart, select the data we require. Let's just say we want to plot the line chart for the X stock. Okay, select the data, go to the insert. This is the symbol for the line chart. This is the 2D line graph. Okay, so we have a line chart for the X. Very simple. Okay, now you can add it and make it more beautiful. Let's just say all the values are above 100, so we can set the lower limit. Okay, see, you can see the minimum, it is 0 here, right? We can change it and make it 100. Press enter. Okay, cool. Now this is okay. You can see, you can also put 120. That is okay, that is also fine. Now it's more clear, right? Good. Okay, now it's time for the Y. Okay, we can separately plot the chart, Y chart, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the Y element on the same chart. Yeah, this is the benefit, so we can compare both the stocks at the same time. So what you can do is select the chart, right click, select data. Okay, we want to add another row. Let's just say select series name, which is Y good, and the values, which is basically every value. Okay, boom, we have a chart. Now you can see Y stock has the values which is under 120. Okay, so we need to change that for a better comparison. Let's just say 80. Okay, yep, we're good. So this is the line chart, okay, for the comparison X and Y. The great thing about the line chart is you can always add the trend lines to the Y to the line chart. Okay, let's just say here's the option, see, add trend lines. I'm gonna go with the polynomial 3 4, yeah, maybe that's okay. This is it. Come to the area chart. Okay, so remember what I said, area chart is similar to the bar chart. It is not widely used, to be honest. Most of the time you gotta use the bar chart. Okay, you're not gonna use the area chart, but it's always good to learn. Okay, so you can see it is the same example as of the bar chart, right, that we have plot. Remember that? Okay, so I'm gonna show you how they are similar. Okay, so what we're gonna do is select the data, right, go to the insert. This is the area chart. Okay, it's all right, you have plot the area chart. Now I'm gonna show you how it is similar. Okay, see this bar chart. Okay, now select the column. Okay, right click, format the data axis. You see the gap width? If we reduce the gap width, can you see it? It's kind of like an area chart. Okay, see, this is the area chart, this is the bar chart. It's kind of like the area chart, but on a pixelated form. So area chart is better looking, but it's not widely used. Bar chart is widely used, so you get the point, right? It's easy, try yourself.
Now you know the chart. Let me give you one quick advice. Use these charts quickly to your advantage, okay? Before the stock market goes in 2023. Next chart's gonna be funnel chart and waterfall chart. Cool charts, very important. See you next time, guys. Peace.